as well as the biscuits. And yeah, we're gonna go on and gonna break it. Look at that fluffiness. And yeah, we're going in for a bite. Huh. Now I saw Granny Carmel, and she is the sweetest lady, and I would definitely leave her link in below. But she did a 2-ingredient bread, right? So you gotta say, I got to perfect that recipe. Now I'm a little slightly disappointed, but she made a statement to say to get a yogurt with fat content. And it's a lot of non-fat content yogurt out here. And she instructed to get the Greek yogurt, okay? Vanilla flavor. Well, she had the honey vanilla. I have the vanilla. But what I don't like is it's a non-fat. So, by this yogurt being delivered to me, I was a little disappointed. But it came to me to say, why don't you perfect and see could you perfect the biscuits using the non-fat as well as with the fat content. So this video we're going to use the non-fat yogurt, vanilla style, flavors. And yeah, we're going to see what we come up with. Why? Because your girl love a challenge. I love a challenge. So I wanted to see about the runnery texture, because she did make the statement, don't have it too runnery. I don't know. I don't eat yogurt like that. So I really couldn't tell you. But what we're going to do is, first of all, how you guys doing? Good. So we're using Martha white self-rising flour, and I'm just gonna put like 2 cups, because this is 1 cup right here. And I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna see, because I love me some bread. Okay, let's get on down and then get us a nice good old cup. Okay, I love me some bread. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that on in there, you guys. Just like so. Let me make sure I'm on. Okay, yeah, I'm recording. So now, we're going to go with the 1 cup of yogurt, okay? So this could take a minute, because I'm going to measure this out 1 cup. And if I should need some more, we'll use a little more. Okay? There, 1 more. So, approximately 1 cup of yogurt. And that's what we're using. Let me get on in there. I love simple recipes. I really do. Now, I am not a big fan of yogurt. And usually if I see anything that has yogurt in it, I always kind of like shy away from it. I don't know why. But your girl is going to try this. So we're just going to go ahead and mix these 2 on in here. And I'm going to see what I come up with. Because that bread, baby, if you didn't see that bread, I don't know what you're looking at. Because Grandma Karma perfect that bread. And your girl is going to see if she can perfect it too. Okay, so we need a little more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop me out. Just enough. I think that should be enough for that. Because we're going to get this right on in here. It's coming along. We're just going to go on and get it right on in here. Okay, you guys, now it's time for me to go in with my hands. I'm going to use just a little more. Not nothing major, but we're going to need to let them in there. We're going to do it just like that. Okay, let's get that out the way. Let's clean up this. We're going to put a little flour, just like that. A little flour on my hands. Why? Because I'm going to dust my hands. And we're going to put this right here. Okay, you guys, so this is what we're doing. You guys, I have never made bread. So I really appreciate each and every one of you guys that actually give me the views. Okay. Do I think that's enough, Neely? Yeah. So what we're going to do, you know what? Let me put it in a ball. I'm going to reach back here and turn this oven on. 350. And we're going to cut it. We're going to cut it 4 ways. Gonna cut it like that. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put these in a ball, just like so. I don't know, guys. They look good to me. You know? They really look good to me. And that's what McCarter said. He said he wanted him some breakfast with this. He wanted that bread into breakfast. So I said, well, what you want, like a McDonald's breakfast? He said, yeah. So do we have this? Because if I see a good outturn, I'm gonna make these. I will present it as a breakfast. So how that looking, guys? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up this mess. We're gonna take us a clean kitchen towel and we're gonna cover it just like so, and we'll be back. We're back and we're just gonna check on this bread. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this up, and I already have a greased, lightly greased and flour pan. And let me get my little spatula. Well, it doesn't matter. And we're gonna see what we came out with. Okay. And we're gonna lamb so right here. Giving them some space in between. So here we go. We're gonna put these on in the oven at 350 for approximately 40 minutes. Guys, I want you guys to take a look at these biscuits. Oh Lord, that's bread. I'm sorry. Let's get the heat out the way. Look at that bread, you guys. Let me see, can I zoom you in? Because I don't want to keep the heat in there on my camera. So float with me. Look at there, you guys. We almost there. But meantime, we got us some sausage cooking, okay? You guys, check this out. Now, I thought my camera was rolling, but we done made us some Bob Evans sausage. You guys, look at that. Look at the texture on this bread. We're going to cut another one. Oh, my heavens. This I am super excited over. You guys, I have never made bread in my entire life of cooking. But I can honestly say 2 ingredients. If you guys are not following Granny Carmel, what you waiting on? Get in the kitchen and perfect her recipe, you guys. She's not misleading anyone. And look at there. Just so soft. Look at there. Let's put that one right there. Oh my heavens. Look at there. 2 ingredients. That's it. Oh my goodness. And we're going to put us a little butter. Just like so. And it really doesn't need it. But we're going to put a little butter just to play with it. And yeah, your gut is going to go in for the great bite. It cooked so evenly. Oh my goodness. That's my Carter sausage and biscuit. He must have confidence in his grandmama, because he sure said he would love to have it. Anywho, you guys, thumbs this video straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. 2 ingredients, that's all you need. 2 ingredient biscuits. Oh, not biscuits, I'm sorry, bread. Please forgive me. I'm super excited. I just can't believe I did this one. As well as the biscuits. And yeah, we're going to go on and gonna break it. Look at that fluffiness. And yeah, we're going in for a bite. Huh. Hats off to Granny Carmel. What a terrific recipe. Soft, delicious. It does not have a chewy texture. You can enjoy this with sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches. You don't even have to make the biscuit. But it's just as simple as making her biscuits. But you only difference is you can tell the difference between her biscuits and her bread. And I must say, this is one of her great recipes that she has shared with the community. Thumb this video straight up. Subscribe to her. If you're not already part of her fam, go check her out. Put the recipes in your videos so that they can carry to your next generation. Well, anyway, they're going to carry in my family. And I am proud to represent her. And hopefully, in the near future, one of mine or one of my relatives or somebody reach in there and grab this recipe for their own house. I promise you, before I buy a loaf of bread, I think I'll make these biscuits. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to figure out a way to have me some bread on each time I have a craving for it. Because this is delicious to have it so fresh and straight out of your own kitchen. So I'm going to get ready to close this video out and send much love from my house to yours. Goodbye. As well as the biscuits. And yeah, we're going to go on and gonna break it. Look at that fluffiness. And yeah, we're going in for a bite. Huh.